Deep in Russia, there's a place where time seems to stand still. This place is a sanctuary of nature, where the modern world feels like a distant memory. It's called the Virgin Komi Forests, a huge, untouched wilderness in the northern Ural Mountains. This vast expanse of greenery stretches as far as the eye can see, offering a glimpse into a world that has remained unchanged for millennia. These forests are super old, with trees that have been growing for hundreds of years. Some of these ancient trees have witnessed the rise and fall of empires, standing tall and resilient through the ages. They cover a massive area, about the size of a small country, making them the biggest untouched forest in Europe. This immense size provides a haven for countless species of flora and fauna, many of which are found nowhere else on Earth. Because they're so important, they were named a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1995. This designation helps ensure that the forests are preserved for future generations to enjoy and study. This means they're recognized as a special place that needs to be protected. Conservation efforts are crucial to maintaining the delicate balance of this ecosystem, which plays a vital role in the health of our planet. The forests are home to lots of different plants and animals, and they help keep our planet healthy by absorbing harmful gases. From the smallest insects to the largest mammals, every creature here plays a part in the intricate web of life. Protecting them isn't just important for Russia, it's important for the whole world. These forests act as the lungs of our planet, filtering the air we breathe and combating climate change on a global scale. They remind us that even with all the things people do, there are still wild places left. These untouched landscapes offer a sanctuary for wildlife and a place for humans to reconnect with nature. The Virgin Komi Forests invite us to explore, learn about, and protect this amazing natural treasure. By visiting and studying these forests, we can gain a deeper understanding of the natural world and our place within it. Let's cherish and safeguard this incredible gift of nature for generations to come. The Virgin Komi Forests are like a mix of different natural areas, each one special in its own way. These forests are a UNESCO World Heritage Site, recognized for their untouched beauty and ecological significance. They stretch over a vast area, offering a sanctuary for countless species of plants and animals. Huge evergreen trees like Siberian spruce and fir cover a lot of the land. These towering giants create a dense canopy that shelters the forest floor, providing a habitat for various wildlife. The thick foliage also plays a crucial role in the forest's microclimate, maintaining humidity and temperature levels. The air smells like pine needles and damp earth, a mix of growing plants and decaying leaves. This rich organic layer on the forest floor is teeming with life, from tiny insects to fungi, all playing their part in the ecosystem's nutrient cycle. But the forests change as you move through them. Different areas support different types of vegetation, creating a mosaic of habitats. This diversity is essential for the resilience of the forest, allowing it to adapt to environmental changes. There are also areas with birch and aspen trees. These deciduous trees add a splash of color to the forest, especially in the fall when their leaves turn vibrant shades. Their leaves shine in the sun, and in the fall, they turn beautiful colors like gold, red, and orange. This seasonal transformation is not just visually stunning, but also plays a role in the forest's life cycle, as fallen leaves decompose and enrich the soil. The Virgin Komi forests aren't just trees, though. They are a complex web of life, with each element playing a crucial role in maintaining the balance of the ecosystem. Clear rivers and streams flow through them, full of fish like salmon and playful animals like otters. These waterways are vital for the forest, providing water for plants and animals and serving as natural corridors for wildlife. These rivers are like roads that connect all the different parts of the forest. They facilitate the movement of species and the dispersal of seeds, contributing to the forest's biodiversity. There are also wetlands and meadows, with colorful wildflowers and busy beavers building their dams. These areas are hotspots of biodiversity, supporting a wide range of plant and animal species. All these different habitats show how rich and full of life the Virgin Komi forests really are. They are a testament to the incredible diversity and resilience of nature, offering a glimpse into a world where every element is interconnected and essential for the whole. The virgin Komi forests are home to a huge variety of plants and animals. This vast expanse of wilderness, located in the northern Ural Mountains of Russia, is one of the largest virgin forests in Europe. It spans over 32,800 square kilometers, providing a sanctuary for countless species. Over 200 kinds of birds live there, filling the air with their songs. From the melodious tunes of songbirds to the distinctive calls of raptors, the forest is a symphony of avian life. Birdwatchers from around the world come to witness this incredible diversity. You might hear owls hooting in the night, woodpeckers drumming on tree trunks, or even eagles soaring high above, scanning the ground for prey. Each bird plays a crucial role in maintaining the ecological balance of the forest. On the ground, there are 43 different kinds of mammals. These include small creatures like squirrels and hares, as well as larger animals such as bears and moose. Each species contributes to the rich tapestry of life in the Komi forests. Reindeer with their big antlers walk across the open areas, while sable with their soft fur hunt in the shadows. These animals have adapted to the harsh conditions of the northern forests, showcasing nature's resilience. Wolves, a symbol of the wild, also live here. They roam the forests in packs, hunting and maintaining the balance of the ecosystem. Their presence is a testament to the health of this natural habitat. The rivers are full of 16 kinds of fish, including salmon. These waterways are vital for the forest's health, providing nourishment and habitat for many species. The annual Salmon Run is a spectacular event, drawing predators and spectators alike. Two protected areas, the Pechoro-Ilichsky Reserve and Ugidva National Park, help keep the plants and animals safe. These reserves are crucial for conservation efforts, ensuring that the unique biodiversity of the Komi forests is preserved for future generations. These areas are like safe zones where scientists can study the forests and learn how to protect them better. Researchers conduct various studies, from tracking animal populations to monitoring plant health, all aimed at understanding and preserving this precious ecosystem. The virgin Komi forests aren't just a beautiful place, they're also important to the people who live there. The Komi people have lived in these forests for a long time, and their lives are connected to the forest. They respect nature and understand that they need the forest to survive. The Komi people know a lot about the forest. They know how to hunt and fish without harming the environment, and they know which plants can be used as medicine. They also use the forest for inspiration in their art, music, and stories. Their art often shows animals and plants, which tells us how close they are to nature. Even though they're protected, the virgin Komi forests are in danger. Like many wild places, they're threatened by things people do. Sometimes the desire for money puts these natural treasures at risk. One big problem is gold mining. Finding gold in the forests has caused a lot of worry. Mining can damage the environment, pollute the water, and scare away the animals. Another problem is poaching, which means hunting animals illegally. People hunt animals for their fur or other body parts, which can hurt animal populations. Tourism can also be a problem if it's not done carefully. Too many visitors can damage the forests and disturb the animals. It's important to find a way for people to enjoy the forests without harming them. People are working hard to protect the virgin Komi forests. Conservationists, scientists, and local communities are all trying to save this special place. Scientists are studying the forests to understand how they work and how human actions affect them. This information helps them figure out the best ways to protect the forests. Everyone is working together. Local people, government groups, and international organizations. They're sharing information and resources to protect the forests. They're also trying to find sustainable ways to use the forest's resources, like responsible tourism and careful logging. The goal is to let people benefit from the forests without causing harm. Inside the virgin Komi forests, there's a mysterious place called the Manpapuna Stone Pillars. These 7 giant rocks rise up from the ground and have amazed people for centuries. They're so big and strange that they make you think of giants. There's a Komi legend that says the pillars were once giants who were turned to stone by a shaman. The giants were hurting the local Mansi people, so the shaman used magic to stop them. The Manpupuna stone pillars are also a great example of erosion. Over thousands of years, wind, rain, and ice have shaped these rocks into the amazing forms we see today. The virgin Komi forests show us how beautiful and important wild places are. They remind us that we're connected to nature. The air we breathe, the water we drink, and the weather all depend on healthy ecosystems. Protecting these forests is important for everyone in the world. They help control the Earth's climate by absorbing harmful gases. If they were destroyed, it would be bad for the plants and animals that live there, and it would make climate change worse. The forests also inspire us and remind us of the power of nature. We need to protect them for ourselves and for future generations. The future of the virgin Komi forests is uncertain. There are dangers, but there's also hope. If we work together, we can protect these forests for the future. What we do now will decide what happens to this special place. We can help by supporting responsible tourism, learning about the forests, and donating to organizations that protect them. We can also tell other people about the forests and why they're important. The virgin Komi forests are a special gift. They show us how strong nature is and remind us that we need to take care of our planet. Let's work together to make sure these forests are here for a long, long time.